So, hello again guys. So these are the ingredients for the ground beef that I've made. We have this beans, mushrooms, bell peppers, tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes, onions, ginger, and garlic, and of course the ground beef. So here we use the olive oil for frying the beef, the ground beef, and everything because it's healthier, I guess. That's what they say. And I'm putting that there. I'll put salt, a pinch of salt already, and a black pepper. Paprika. Mix it again. It's important to mix them so that it will not burn. And I also added a little bit of water to have a little bit of sauce. And add the vegetables. By the way, I also added this one, the oyster sauce, to make it tastier. And thicker. By the way, I've also covered mix it in. For it for about 5 minutes and let it cook. Yeah. So ayun guys, ready na yung giniling natin. So it's yummy. Let's do it. Bon appetit. I usually cook this one during weekend because this is my husband's favorite. He likes this one and me too. I like it. It's simple and easy and also healthy. So that's it guys. That's my supper for tonight. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Follow for more. Bye.